Greetings, I'm Dev the Developer.
And I'm Glitch.
We've seen the classic box model, the float model, and the stacking model, but today we're looking at the modern standard for layout, Flexbox. It revolutionized how we align and distribute space among items in a container. Flexbox is short for Flexible Box Layout. It's designed to manage elements in a single dimension, either a row or a column. Glitch, deploy a flex container with 3 items.
Deploying a team of elements ready for orchestration, I'll drop them into the body. And the styles to give them some form. Right now they're blocks, they're stacking vertically, filling the whole width. It's standard.
Now, turn on the Flex engine. Display Flex on the container.
Display Flex, activating row-based alignment. Oh, they're aligned, side by side in a perfect row. No floating, no collapsing containers, no manual math, just pure structural integrity. I like this.
That's the default, Flex Direction Row. We can change it to Column.
Flex Direction Column, reverting to stack. Vertical deployment, back to a stack, but now they're flex items. I have total control over their alignment now, don't I?
Yes, let's switch back to Row and look at centering. That is what Flexbox is famous for.
Centering on both axes, the primary objective. The holy grail of centering, perfect alignment on both axes. It's beautiful, it's how the world should be, everything exactly in the center of the field of operation.
Justify content handles the main axis. Try space between to push them apart.
Justify content, space between, maximizing spacing. Maximum spacing, elements pushing each other to the edges of the perimeter, a balanced distribution of assets, and look, I can even change their order. I'll change the order of node 3 to -1. Visual priority override. Node 3 moved to the front without me having to touch the HTML. I love this level of administrative power.
Flexbox is the modern way to build almost anything, from navigation bars to complex application shells. It's flexible, predictable, and powerful.
Flexible and predictable, the 2 pillars of a successful empire. I mean, a successful layout. I'm ready to flex my power.
Build a navigation bar using Flex Row and space between, then try to center a single div in the middle of the screen, using Flex Column and centering. Flexbox will save you more time than any other layout property. Don't just watch it, do it.